here camping at New Hogan Lake. Mikey's so far away. Jenny, what are you doing? Huh? And that's our camp area. And then we have a generator. Trailers. And there's Grandma.
But you guys can't accommodate it.
This is just like Minecraft. You just get so light and too nice to go home while we stay. Get in. Get that. That's a big one. Get the lid. Those fucking dogs.
Don't run with sharp objects.
Dude, if you want to turn off the keep, I mean, can I keep it higher up to the side and not even turn?
Oh, okay. It smells good.
What's the Ginny?
She's right there.
One of the dogs got out.
Oh. That's alright. The small
Alright,
one's
Auntie
okay.
New's here. She'll take care of her. They won't hurt. They won't bite.
Where? I saw just the wind. They went. They are in our tent. Come in, Marcus. Actually, I know where they are. I know where they are. They're like somewhere in the car.
You're not supposed to tell.
What? We're in our secret home. It's not actually secret. It's not in there. Not in there. Pretend. Just in case it's open. And I'm Michelle. It's just my cousin Jenny. This is my cousin Caitlin. And that's Justin. He wants to go to the hike with us. Let's see the lake where
Keep going.
As you can see. So we're gonna go walk. As you can see. Call me. We got some cousins. That looks like I have like 24 fish.
Jenny, let's go.
Jenny, bye-bye. Bye.
Come on, baby.
Bye-bye.
Come on.
Bye.
Jenny, where are you going? Let's go.
Bye-bye.
No, you come with us. Don't bye by us. Okay, come up. Walk naturally. Caitlin, come on.
Gotcha.
Don't play with dirt.
Here you go, don't, David, I mean, Justin, don't go up there. The slippery.
Play with the water, okay?
Let Uncle use it. Michelle, you guys go wash your hands over there. Faucet. I think Jenny's trying.
Try what? Pictures? Video.
Oh.
Camping.
Yeah.
Manje, you?
Manje.
Yeah.
Fire there.
Yeah.
my baby.
And Grandma's over here. 그냥 어디야? 그냥 어디? Cái bó này. This guy got hurt.
Guys, we're getting ready.
Yeah.
We're getting ready,
Okay,
guys.
put your feet up. No, put your feet up here. If you're gonna,
Okay.
you're gonna fall later, put your feet down and go like this, okay? So we stop, okay?
I already do that.
Okay.
Yeah, Daddy can do that.
Stay up.
I'll push.
No pushing. We just go slow.
Going faster. Okay. Look, it's going super fast. Oh, man. Look at him, Mom. Yes. Yes, again.
Yes.
Yes, this mission.
Oh, they made it. They didn't get hurt. Yeah, I got hurt when I was trying to do that.
Oh, no. Just rock? Yes.
They're fine.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's the day of the Yang family show.
Yes.
Bye,
Kitten's
guys.
turn. We'll see you.
Yeah, they're perfectly fine, guys. It doesn't really matter. I think that's Ruby's butt. Right.
Yeah. I went.
How about
Bye.
Keng looks like she's having the ride of her life. She did have it. So that's the end of the video. See you later. Yeah, Miss the baby. Yay.
There you go.
Get the going fast. You have to go slow down.
Okay. Jenny, come here. Kaylin, they're coming back up, Kaylin. What's your name?
Michael Yang.
Hmm?
Michael Yang.
Come on.
Whose owns it? My turn! Hi is Michael. Sam! Justin, Jenny, and cousin. Hey. It's my turn to
Mikey, what are you doing?
You saw those videos? Check it out.
They was lying down.
So let's start my turn. So,
This
my
is-
turn?
I scraped my butt at the end. Setting up right now. I think you're ready to go. So, should be pretty
There
loose.
you go.
Wait, yeah, go. Yep, great day, come back. Peace. That was a great ride. I should do that sometime. Get a grave injury. Look at the Jane and Jenny's so cute. Oh no, they're coming over. Don't do it. Oh, that's the baby. Oh no, that's the baby.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. What, you jealous?
Okay, good enough. Hey. There you go. There's you and me and little Jenny. There we go. There we go. Yay. Hey. Who's that little girl up there? And who is that girl, big girl right there? Jenny, I can't see. Now how am I supposed to angle us? Ah. Yeah, right there. Look, look, Daddy. Look, look, look. See? See? Uh-huh. See? 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 Mama. Mama. Mama and Mikey.
No! I want to go with you. I want to go with you. Daddy, it's easy. All you have to do is wake up and wake me up after that. Daddy, because we sleep in the same tent. How you're not here?
Are you bored?
Get a fish.
Huh?
Get a fish. Get a pro.
One thing I need is
pro,
patience.
I was.
Hey, is it raining at campsite? Over here it starts
Yes.
Starting to rain. Starting to rain, one sprinkle. And I still gotta do my homework. It's wondering if the rest of these.
No, it should be fine. 'Cause I think it's just gonna sprinkle. Yeah. Nothing yet. Caught some rocks. I don't know. It hurt it. It may or may not. Don't worry about it. Talk to you later.
Is it raining at the campsite?
No, it's not.